Come on.
Okay, we're getting ready to go ahead and jump into it and do this live presentation here. As you can see, I am sharing my screen, and this is Make. And what we're going to pretty much show is how to create a grant writing AI agent. We're going to do this like really quick. And so in Grok, what you want to do is set up your API. Make sure that's in place. You want to go ahead and select your model. And this is your AI model. Again, we're using DeepSeek, Distill Llama.
Yeah, I will use DeepSeek.
And then you want to go ahead and enter your prompt here. So we're going to create a detailed grant outline. And then our topic is going to equal what we have in our Google Sheets here. And then we're going to have the word count to equal 250 words. And then we're just going to, let's just log out here. Close that out. So we wanted to use most recent research. Scope of the project should include an evidence-based practice for an under-resourced population. So we just added this in here as the actual prompt. And as you can see with the Google Sheets here, it's going to be reading from this spreadsheet here called Post My. We have it on Post My Grub. So that's just one of the sheets we have to pull the data from. And the data is going to be pulling as we'll go ahead and see. So the actual data here is reading from this sheet here and everything that's in content, all the contents that's in column A. So it did one on Corbin Capture. Now we're going to rerun it to see if we can do one on AI in judicial systems. And really in Grok, you can have this run every 15 minutes. So as you can see here, you can run it once or you can have it run every 15 minutes. So that's the Google Sheet. And then it pretty much pulls that heading, runs it through the AI, and then what it does is produces a Google Doc, and here connected to Google Docs, and then the name of that document is going to be whatever that topic is, and then the contents is going to be whatever the output from Llama Distill, and so it really is going to send that output over to Google Docs. Now I could have a number of modules set up so I can have it to create a WordPress blog post or anything. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and we're going to run it just once, and then we're going to look at our Google sheet here. So as you can see, the last one was here, this Carbon Capture Tech. So we're going to run it, and the next one should be AI and judicial systems. So let's go ahead and do that real quick and see what we get. So we're going to run it. And as you can see, it's actually going ahead with the process here. So it went ahead and read that, went over to Google Sheets, pulled that, and then made a Google Doc. So if we go back to our Google Docs here, now we have one that's created again just now. So we'll go ahead and load that up. And again, we have that outline just that quick. And I'll go ahead and look at this real quick. And then pretty much what you want to do at this point, you have a outline of a grant where the content and topic is AI and judicial system. So again, I just use it as an agent in which I am constantly getting information, getting someone to go and do all of the leg work, the gut work. So as you can see, it's breaking down, and this AI model is actually thinking. So it says first, just understanding the sections, Then it's breaking it down. So you got a title here. Example: AI and judicial systems enhancing equity and efficiency. So it's really just pulling out all of that information just from that uh, search term. Then it's giving a literature review. But I can't say what you want to do is go in and vet and look at all this information. So it pretty much pulls out that information and creates an outline. And pretty much there it is. And here's the outline here, the title, then an introduction. And I told her I wanted it in 250 words, the integration of. So it's pretty much writing a grant out, the literature review. And you can go back and, modify this to have the specific grant titles or sections that you want. And again, everything is in 50 words, give you a conclusion, and then it gives you references. So